red deer, lynx, wolf, fox, everything but snow leopard. Which brings me in a circle back again to the fact that we've got to connect these populations. So the nearest viable population really is Mongolia. So what happens to Mongolia's snow leopard is going to determine Russia's future reoccupied snow leopards. Camera trappings, I think, camera traps can play a real role in conservation. We put them out in villages, and they can get to know their cats. Occasionally, they get a puzzled tourist coming along and looking at this thing. But they can photograph a depredation kill. We can from that identify maybe whether it's the same individual that's doing, whether it's an habitual problem animal that might have to be removed because it'll just keep going back to living on easy-to-kill livestock. They get scent spraying, they get the other species, of course. This is really, really valuable to monitoring. So I see a great role for communities in actually monitoring the success of our programs. But ultimately, what we want is a cat to talk for itself. And we know, I think, that the breeding success is really, if we see cubs, we know we achieving our goals. That is a critical item, is for the population to replace itself. And these young cats were taken up on a high ridge in Ladakh. These were taken about 2003. We did the pioneering study and got that published. And now camera traps are actually the common tool throughout the area. I think in time it's probably going to be genetics and scat analysis is going to replace it because it can just be done quicker and more easily, at least at the Western science level. At the village level, camera traps are getting cheaper and easier to use, and photographs are a great way of communicating. So I see two tools for two different audiences. I want to show you the cat talking for itself, and many of you have seen this is the lens cleaning snow leopard, as we call it. Look in the background there. Look along there. So these are young cats. Those are actually the older cats of the earlier picture I'd shown you, I think, and from the same mother. She was a very successful mother. As far as I know, she's raised 2 litters. We're not working there anymore. Well, we're not studying them and doing camera trapping. We are continuing the homestay.